Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to wrap text around a circle with Photoshop. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. Now first of all, go to view, then click on extras, then again go to view. Now here this time we will going to click on rulers and again go to view and click on this snap. So these three options we have to click on. Once you done that, you can easily get some lines, and with the help of these lines we can decide the center. Once you decide the center, go to the shape tool and here we have to select on ellipse tool, and then here we have to set it on path. Once you set that, we have to hit alt plus shift and just make the circle. So this is the path from where our text is going to be look like. So this is fine for me. I will just leave it here and then hit T on your keyboard, or you can just click here. Now we are going to add text around this logo, so we just have to click on the path. Then here you can type whatever you want. I will type here, let's suppose, wrap your text around circle. Okay, and once you done that, you can just select the text like this, go to window, then click on character, and from this window you can change your text. Like I want to make it bigger, I can make it bigger, or if I want to make it smaller like this. And also if you want to move the text around the circle, you can do that as well. From this option you just have to select it and just move it around, and yeah, that's it. This is how you can wrap a text around a circle with the help of Photoshop. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.